To make this bubble bag, we are going to work with a 5mm crochet hook. We are gonna need 3 or 4 skeins of a medium weight yarn. In this case we are using the Zen yarn from Yarn and Colors, and a tape measure and a Tapestry needle will be very useful too. We are going to make 5 separate rectangles and fix them together at the end. Let's start with the front. We have to chain 25. Once chain 25, chain 1 more and we will start 4 rows of single crochet. To single crochet, you simply enter the chain through the center of the V, yarn over, draw the yarn over again and go through both loops. When you finish the row, you chain up 1, turn your work around and start over with 3 more rows of single crochet. This time you'll insert the hook into both chains, not just the back one, but both. Now it's time to learn the bubble stitch. The 5th row will start with 2 single crochet, and the 3rd will be a bubble stitch. Yarn over, insert into the chain, pull out, yarn over, go through the first 2, repeat 4 more times until you have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and go through all 5 to secure your bubble. Go on with 4 single crochet as always. 5th will be bubble. Keep on like this till the end of the row. You'll have 5 bubbles on each bubble row. Work up your rectangle during 2 rows of single crochet, 1 bubble row. Front and back will be 25 chains per 20 rows in total. The sides will be 15 chains per 20 rows. Same as before, you will work exactly the same, but shorter. The base of the bag will be all in single crochet. Leave a long string for each piece you work. The handle has 45 chains and 5 rows. We've done a few bubbles on the 3rd row here too, you see. Once you have all the pieces, you can decide to start them to make the bag rigid. Here you can see that the base has been starched already and is pretty stiff in comparison to the other pieces that aren't treated. Starching your crochet work is easy and very natural. You just need bath starch. Some people use corn starch. To prepare the mixture, you'll need 1 spoon of starch for 2 glasses of water. You can put everything on a pan and make it boil for around 1 minute. You'll obtain a gluey mixture that you can brush over your work. Take advantage of a flat surface and put on shape your pieces. Pay attention not to starch the strings too. Let it dry for 1 day. Last step consists in attaching everything together. Do it in this direction, starting from the front with the base and then attaching the side, using the string you have left before to sew everything together. You'll go then with the back rectangle and finally with the last side piece. Take the tapestry needle, insert the thread and attach the parts going in each chain with a zigzag movement. The first 2 chains you will repeat 2 or 3 times to secure the corners better. Using the same thread, attach now the back rectangle going up. Same method as before. This thread will be later used to secure the base to the back rectangle. Once you have attached the pieces, you will then insert and weave inside all the strings. Last, you will attach the handle and make sure this is perfectly in the middle. And you're done.